French Somaliland. Here we see the direct consequence of the Mothers' actions. 2,000 destitute women, refugees from the Mothers' tyranny, now in the streets of Djibouti as common horde. The once proudest after our great protectorate now lie in a few handsome months earned through more illicit means to support my extended families. Here we are met with 22-year-old Khadija from the Habayanis tribe, fine specimen with a handsome face, rolly hair and herbaceous build. She's all too happy to remove what little clothing she bears to pose for a photograph. Her family, including her father, patiently watch from behind the camera waiting for this ordeal to finish. A scene I'm afraid they've become all too familiar with. Khadija tells the photographer that in total, she personally knows of at least 42 women from the sub-clans of Haba Yunis, Haba Joel, Haba Owl, and Haba Jahajis in the same profession. The spectacle continues throughout the day where the photographer pays local horde almost double what he would have made walking the streets of Djibouti in a day. The long queues outside the photographer's station is almost entirely made up of Isaaq refugees from British protectorate. Women off all the great noble towns are reduced to an exotic piece of flesh. The men, all too proud for menial labor, often content letting their women folk sell their bodies to servicemen and sailors. They also stand outside, waiting for the women to be done with their work, and pass their time with idle talk of great tribal wars from their homeland.